Alright, what's your name?
Ben Tarasasi.
And how old are you?
Ben Tarasasi.
Ben Carl Evershevsky. Okay, how old are you?
Ben
How old are you? How old are you?
Ben Tarasasi.
You want to do it right? Okay, who's this right here, man? Who's that? Who?
That's the
Redskins. Okay, and who's that?
That's the Purples.
Good. And who's that?
That's the Cardinals.
The Cardinals. And who's that?
That's the Jaguars.
The Jaguars. Cool. And who's that?
That's the Patriots.
All right. And who's that?
That's the Bengals.
And who's that?
That's the Turtles. We don't like the Turtles.
They're harmless. Okay. All
We
right.
like the Turtles.
Yeah, it's okay. All right. Who is this right here?
That's the Colts.
The Colts. Okay. What? First, tell me who this is.
That's the Bears.
Who?
That's the Bears.
Who?
The Bears. Deal?
Wait,
I say deal.
I didn't say deal yet. Just wait. All right, who's this up here?
That's the Turtle.
Who?
That's the Turtle.
No, come on, be serious. Whose team is this for right here?
That's the Chargers.
Okay, and what are the Chargers? What are...
Chargers are one and done.
One and done. Oh my goodness. And who's this team right here?
That's the 49ers.
And how long has it been since the 49ers won the Super Bowl?
Alone. Hey, do your hands.
Okay, do it.
Long time.
Alright, and who's this up here?
The Vikings.
Vikings! Oh my goodness. And what are the Vikings?
Vikings are white fly babies.
They're what?
The white fly babies.
Whiny crybabies? Okay, Brett Favre is thinking about playing again this year. What advice would you have for him? What would you say to Brett Favre?
Stay home, Trevor.
What? What's that?
That's another one.
Where's the Saints at?
Right there.
And what are the Saints?
That's another one.